again. Working through Expedia. And it's happening. They still gotta do some stuff at JFK, but hopefully they'll get on.
Say goodbye to Pumpkinville.
All right, do we have a plan?
We have a plan. We have our own snafu of spelling errors and dyslexia, courtesy of Vito Ches. I'm on the phone with Expedia. We're fixing Sam's first name, and we're fixing, Dad put Alissa as my last name, Lewandowski as my first name.
She's still on hold.
Yeah, by the time we get on JFK, should be fixed, but we'll see. So
We're still waiting on letters.
we still got a little bit of issues to go through, courtesy of Vito Chess. Peace out, Cub Scout, on our way to Warsaw.
All right, there they go. I'm on my own for a couple of weeks. Well, this Poland trip is off to a shaky start, but they finally made it through security and heading to their gate. I think everybody had something go wrong. Vito's cousin, who lives in California, her flight broke down, so she ended up on a different flight. She will not make the connecting flight to Poland, so she's going to be a little delayed. Lindsey had too much weight in her suitcase, hence the things that I'm bringing back. And Vito, he had forgotten his sweatshirt at Lindsey's house when we picked her up, and Bo, Vito's brother, ended up forgetting some medicine, so he's gonna have to get to a pharmacy. And then Alissa and Sam had the issue that when Vito made all the arrangements, he spelled Sam's name wrong, and he put Alyssa's name as the last name and her last name as a first. So they're trying to get that worked out now. They at least made it through security finally, so it's a good thing they came a couple hours early. I wish them the best of luck. I hope things calm down. Well, the Poland trip is happening, and it is happening without me. I have grandkid duty, so I'll be watching my granddaughter while they are over there, and I've got one of my grandsons that I'll be watching here and there. So it's going to be very busy for me. I hope to have some time to continue my work on the Tour de Mont Blanc preps. I'll be posting a video very soon on how far I've gotten and the learnings that I've had so far and what it takes to really pull that type of a trip off. So I hope you stick around and continue to join us as we attempt our various adventures.